Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro smartphone stabilizer with us along with some of the accessories. So we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on all of the content we got inside this retail box, the design, build quality, features of the Flow 2 Pro along with having a quick look on all of these accessories we got here. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box of Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. So here we got an image of the product, the gimbal along with the smartphone. The color variant we got inside is Summit White. It is a pocket AI filmmaker. Here we got some of the highlighted feature of the Flow 2 Pro, that it comes with AI powered Deep Track 4.0 technology. It comes with support for Apple Dock Kit. So the tracking feature works on the iPhone camera, FaceTime, as well as more than 200 iOS applications. It comes with 360-degree infinite pan tracking feature along with AI mobile editing suite for quickly editing your videos from the Insta360 application. Here we got more information that it comes with one-step rapid deploy. It is foldable and portable. We got 3-axis stabilization, 10-hour battery life, and it also works as emergency power bank for your smartphone, and it comes with the magnetic phone clamp. Here we got the information that what are the stuff we got inside the retail box. So it comes with Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. We got magnetic phone clamp, warranty card, quick start guide, USB-C to a charging cable, and a protective pouch. And now it's time to open the box and have a look on all of the stuff inside. So here we got a huge envelope. So we got this quick start guide, user manual. Here is the pouch for carrying the Flow 2 Pro. Once again we got some of the quick start guide, user manuals, etc. Here is a USB type A to type C cable. Here is the magnetic clamp. And here we got the Flow 2 Pro gimbal. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of Flow 2 Pro. The gimbal, the carrying pouch, USB type A to type C cable, some user guide, etc. Once again, lots of stuff like warranty card, quick start guide, some Insta360 stickers. There is the magnetic phone clamp and our Flow 2 Pro gimbal. So here is the magnetic phone clamp. We got the Insta360 branding on this part as well as on the interior. The interior comes with this nice rubberized material that's going to provide grip to your smartphone. It's anti-slip, so it's quite nice. And as you can see, you can put different size of smartphones by expanding the sides. And here is our Flow 2 Pro. As you can see, it's very compact in size, pretty small. Here is the NFC part at the top, and here we got plenty of stickers. So first of all, let's remove them. So here is my iPhone. Let's put it in this magnetic clamp. Now we have to connect this clamp with the gimbal, but first of all let me remove this sticker. Wow, so the magnet is really strong. So it comes with this nice satisfying thumb, and as you can see, the magnet is really strong. So you don't have to worry about dropping your smartphone or getting detached from the gimbal if you are doing some fancy quick movements, because the magnet is really strong. So now to pair my iPhone with the Flow 2 Pro, all I have to do is just tap on the NFC part here at the top of the gimbal, and you can see tracking dock is showing locating your accessory. Now all I have to do is just tap on connect, and now we are good to go. Just tap on done. So as you can see, there is a new firmware available for my Flow 2 Pro. So I'm just going to download and install it. As you can see, the lights are blinking and flashing while the software update is going on because the device will be reset as well. So update is successful. And our device is connected with our smartphone, and some resources are about to be downloaded as well. Lots of stuff is going on while doing the setup of the device. So now you need to give this permission to Insta360 app to start shooting on your device. So now there are some instructions on the screen we need to follow. So you will find some on-screen instruction how to use the buttons here. This way you can select the subject to track, and you can press the trigger button to stop tracking. And to record a video you need to press the shutter button, and recording will be started, and press it again to stop it. So all of the on-screen tutorials are done. Now you will get the information regarding the buttons, how to use all of these buttons. We got here the D-pad, joystick and everything to use on your Flow 2 Pro. So as you can see, you will have to remember all of these commands and actions that you can perform to use the Flow 2 Pro perfectly. So I believe it's going to take some time to memorizing all of these stuff. Then here we got the instruction for the touch panel, lighting, how you can identify what is the battery percentage, etc. Here we got the information how to use the zoom wheel for the FP mode, auto mode, etc. And then we got the trigger button. As you can see, we have already used it to recenter our gimbal, but we got more commands here as well. So the tutorial is finished, tap on complete, and we are good to go with our Flow 2 Pro here. So I'm not going to record any of this stuff. Let's talk about the design and build quality now. So now if you have a look here, you can see on this handlebar here on the grip, we got this non-slip material that is going to provide a very solid grip while holding the Flow 2 Pro in hand. We got the trigger button here, we got the USB Type-C port to charge the battery of your Flow 2 Pro. Once again, here we got the keys, the D-pad, the joystick, all of these things. At the top we got the spot for the NFC, we got this LED light in circular shape, and we also got LED lights all around the joystick D-pad we got here. So you can get the idea of what exactly you are performing, in which mode you are working on your Flow 2 Pro with the help of all of these lightings we got here. And here is the another USB Type-C port, that is an output port. So the Flow 2 Pro comes with reverse charging technology. So in the case that your smartphone battery is going down, you can use the Flow 2 Pro as a power bank. All you have to do is connect a USB Type-C cable from this output port to your smartphone, and the Flow 2 Pro will start charging your smartphone. So this is a nice feature for sure that will provide longer session of video recording with the help of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Here on the back we got this reflective side that you can use as a mirror for taking selfies. We got this glossy finish once again that is attracting a bit of smudges and fingerprint, as you can see. So you will have to clean it time to time, but once again, inclusion of this selfie mirror is a nice addition as well. And as we have already seen, this clamp is pretty powerful when it comes to magnet strength. Here at the bottom you got this screw, so you can connect a tripod or any other accessory with your Flow 2 Pro, and the Flow 2 Pro can be used as a tripod as well. If you have a look on this part here, you can see we got these 3 legs. You can just slide them out and then extend them, and your Flow 2 Pro will be converted into a tripod. So this is once again a nice feature. So you can go hands-free if you want to record a video. So this is quite useful, especially for the vloggers. And this part of the Flow 2 Pro is extendable, so you can convert it into a selfie stick. So once again, this is quite nice that you can use this smartphone stabilizer, the gimbal, as a tripod as well as a selfie stick. So once again, it's going to be very useful for the vloggers, whether recording the content indoors at a stationary place or if they are outside and using the Flow 2 Pro as a selfie stick. And now let's talk about all of these accessories we got here. So let's start with the magnetic phone mount. This is especially designed for Flow 2 Pro. So here we got a quick start guide, and here is the magnetic phone mount. So the difference between this and this clamp is that it is a clamp. You put your phone here, but this is the magnetic one. So if you got any smartphone with MagSafe compatibility, then you can directly put your smartphone on this mount here, and then you can connect this mount to the Flow 2 Pro and you will be good to go. So to use the Insta360 magnetic phone mount with the Flow Pro 2, first of all you need to remove this clamp here. After that you need to attach this part with the back of your smartphone. You can see once again the magnet is really strong here. And now you need to connect this part with the Flow Pro 2. Just align with this red dot here to this notch and we are good to go, as you can see. And instead of the clamp you can use this phone mount, and it's going to reduce the overall footprint as well, because this clamp is comparatively a bit bulky for sure compared to the magnetic phone mount we got here. It's pretty slim, pretty tiny, and it just snaps with the back of the phone like this. And this magnetic phone mount also works as a kickstand for your smartphone. So you can just take this ring out and now you can use this as a kickstand for your smartphone. You can use it horizontal, you can use it vertically. So once again, this is quite nice. You can leave it permanently on the back of your smartphone to quickly connect your smartphone to start using it instantaneously. Now talking about the Insta360 AI tracker. So as the name suggests, this is an AI tracker. It comes with AI visual recognition and precise person tracking, always keeping the subject in focus, and it is compatible with all of the smartphone models and camera apps for a smarter tracking experience. And here once again we got a quick start guide, and here is our AI tracker. So here we got the AI tracking lens. This part is the spotlight. Behind this there are LED lights. This works as diffuser. We got the brightness button and the color temperature button at the top. Here we got the AI tracking button, and there is a USB Type-C port provided as well. And we got clips for releasing mechanism. And this AI tracker can be used for gesture commands as well. So this tiny little tracker is going to be quite useful, as it's going to track the subject. It's going to work as the fill light, and using this you can also give gesture commands to your Flow 2 Pro camera. You connect this AI tracker with the output USB Type-C port of the Flow 2 Pro. So you need to just put it like this, and you can see it's fitting perfectly. And to release it, all you have to do is press these clips and take it out. So I'm just giving you a quick demo how things work. I will talk about all of these accessories, performance of Flow 2 Pro in our detailed review of the Flow 2 Pro, but right now just giving you a quick idea about the features and functionalities all of these accessories are going to perform on our Flow 2 Pro. And here is the next accessory. As you can see, it is not printed anything here, but I know that this is a backpack mount. So here you can see this is the Velcro strap that you can connect with your backpack, and here you can place your Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. So this is all about the unboxing, quick setup and a quick demo of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro and all of these different accessories we got here. The detailed review of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro along with all of these accessories will be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.